Hello guys, today I'm here to show you MyGlamm Essential Makeup Kit which you get after inviting 5 people. These are the MyGlamm products which I have received after inviting 5 people for MyGlamm survey. These are the products around 1574 which I received by paying 99 as a shipping charge. You can see there are 4 products. One is MyGlamm Wanderlust Chrome Matte Finish Nail Paint. This is MyGlamm Pose HD Setting Powder. This is MyGlamm Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil. And this is a very cute lip balm from MyGlamm. This you receive after inviting 5 people, and it is absolutely free, or you can say 99, it's just a shipping charge. I received this 4 product. There is an option where you can choose shades of the product. I'll come back with another video to review these products after using them. To get free eyeliner, lipstick, nail paint or lip balm or a face sheet mask, log in via link given below in the description. Once done, DM me for coupon code to get your free MyGlamm product. Kindly like, share and subscribe if you have liked this video. Thanks a lot.